Hi, and welcome to a new video of this MOOC. In this video, we are going to learn about Angular pipes. Angular pipes are filters used to convert data that we display in our Angular templates to a specific format. So here we can see an example of how to use these pipes. Imagine that we have a property, this is the current date, that we have initialized as a new date object of JavaScript, and here we are displaying the current date in the default format, and after that we are displaying the current date property, applying to it a filter, the date filter. So as you can see here, the default format of the date property includes a lot of information. But if I apply to it the pipe date, the filter date of Angular, it is displayed in this simplified format. Okay, this is basically the use of an Angular pipe. We put the property, and then with the pipe character, the filter we want to apply to the property. There are a set of built-in pipes that Angular offers to us, including pipe for formatting dates, currencies, numbers, upper and lowercase strings, and so on. You can check every available filter, every available pipe that Angular offers to us in the link I provide to you here. A pipe also accept parameters, so we can apply the pipe in the default form or include a set of parameters that can modify the format in which the pipe is applied. So for instance, as you can see here in this example, we are defining the price of a specific item, 399, and we are displaying this property in three different formats. The default one without applying any pipe, then applying the currency format that, as you can see here, puts it with decimals and including the dollar character, and then we can also pass a set of parameters to the currency pipe. For instance, in this case, if we don't include any parameter, the currency will be the default one, that is the dollar one, but we can pass as a parameter the real currency we want to use, in this case euros. Okay. Of course, you can check the documentation about the parameters that a specific pipe accepts in the documentation of Angular. As its name indicates, a pipe can be applied in conjunction with other pipes. So we can chain several pipes in the same line. So for instance, we have defined here again a date, and as you can see here, we are applying a first pipe in which we say to Angular that we want to apply the date format to this, the date filter to this property, and then we put a second pipe telling Angular to put the date in an uppercase format. So you can see here the output of each of these lines. First of all, the date without format, then the date with the default format of the date filter, then the date in the format applying the filter but with the full date parameter that puts also the day of the week, and then in the last line we are applying also a second pipe that puts the date in uppercase format. Finally, of course, these are the filters, the pipes that Angular offers to us by default, but we can write our own pipes. here I pass you the link where you can check the advanced documentation of Angular in order to write your own pipes. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.